Hi there, welcome to today's video. Today's video, we're going to be continuing the Mustang Fastback build. Let's get cracking. That apparently is spot on. Okay, so that's the rear window in. It does need to come down a bit. Okay. Right, now let's get that roof bit ground down, I think, before the neighbour's kids go to sleep. Happy with it. Now I need to make these little bits here that I think might be quite tricky. Get a piece of metal. I think I'll just come to here. Length there. So we're talking, oh, wrong way round. Talking 8 centimeters by, I'm going to go 2 because I'm actually going to tuck it underneath. So 2, 8 by 2. Is that going to go 2 there though? Might go to 3, give it a little bit of leeway. Now I need to put this on there. So let's get that welded on. Off. Okay, so that's both of them done, and now we need to get them in here. This is going to be interesting. I need to bend them down. That needs to go up there, so I actually need to cut some of that out of there. That would appear. Okay. Okay. Top bit. Okay, so that's there. Now I've got to work out this bend, or it's just an angle, I think. I reckon it's probably got a slight bend to it, so I'm going to put one in there anyway. Still not really sure about this. See, that's about right there. It's not actually, I lied. Just going to cut that along there. So now I just need to get all that ground down. So yeah, I've got these bits in here now. They come out really well. I'm pretty happy with those. It's starting to look really like it now, which I'm pretty happy about. So sweet. So hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't already, please do subscribe.